Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your phone runs Android 8, 0 or higher for compatibility. Enable location, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth on the phone before connecting. Use the original USB cable roughly 5 meters long to ensure reliable data transfer. Avoid cheap charging-only cables that block Android Auto. Check the Fortuner dashboard for a USB port labeled for data or media. If you find multiple ports, use the one in the center console for best performance. Plug your phone into the Fortuner USB data port using the original 5-meter cable. Watch the phone and head unit screens for connection prompts and accept all permission requests. If a prompt appears for Android Auto, tap the Android Auto icon on the head unit. On the phone, choose Android Auto and select Always when asked to set defaults. Allow access to contacts, messages, and location for full functionality while driving. Wait up to 2 minutes for the app to load and mirror. If Android Auto fails, first update the Toyota head unit firmware through your dealer or official USB update. Update Google Play services and the Android Auto app on your phone before retrying. Clear the Android Auto app cache and reboot the phone to resolve persistent blank screens. Try switching to a different USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 port, including the rear or center console option. If problems persist, test with a second phone and cable to isolate phone versus head unit faults. Contact dealership support for complex infotainment faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.